Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome to the video. My name is Owen Fox in Ireland and I'm so happy to have you join me. I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're loving life and life is loving you. And in this video I want to share my live Facebook video that'll later be on YouTube, which is why I highly encourage or support and encourage a vegan diet and a raw vegan diet. And the reason is simple. It's basically about it's the most kind and compassionate diet to the planet, Mother Earth, and Gaia, Pachamama, beautiful entity, spirit, consciousness of the world, which we belong to. It doesn't belong to us, and we need to keep her gently and love her and nourish her and look after her a little bit, And secondly, predominantly, the main thing is it's the most kind and caring and loving and compassionate to of course, animals. So, hello Suzanne, nice to see you join. So why do I love... Yeah, so if anyone watching this later, just check it out from the beginning. So, the vegan diet is basically the most kind, caring, loving, compassionate diet there is. Like, it's the least hurt for the most part. The most one is mixture of breatharian or fruitarian, basically speaking, but at least for the huge majority of people, we're talking about not like wrecking the rainforests, the waterways, and hurting, killing, exploiting, enslaving, raping, really bad stuff, animals, and separating families, taking children away from their mothers, which is very traumatizing for both mother and child, and then of course pure exploitation of the innocent and defenseless. So that's the reason, my friends. That's why I've been vegan for 13 years, and that's why I highly encourage and support and condone, what's the word? Put it out there. Veganism. 100%, guys. Like, what on earth are you up to? What are we up to? The reason why I and 99% of the other humans on planet Earth do a whole lot of hurtful stuff to each other, ourselves, and other animals, and to the forests, is because we are a beautiful, innocent species, and we're very naive and impressionable. We come in as a blank CD, and we get written over by everything we see and observe and hear and read, etc. And we basically believe stuff, so we're being written on, and that's called programming. And unfortunately, our beautiful, sweet, gorgeous innocence and sweet gentleness of our natural spirit, that is used and taken advantage of by people in power. Some people call it the Illuminati or the Cabal or the Old World Order or the New World Order or whatever you want to call them, So like, they're in the know, and they use media and advertising to program us and to trick us and to lie to us. And that's what awakening is. It's like awakening out of all the big bunch of lies we've been told to when we were younger. So that's what awakening is. And you start the healing process and the emotional awareness paths. All of that's what awakening is. So otherwise we're in a slumber, a dream world of just like totally like robots, like, and I was like that, and that's what awakening is. Like, it's awakening out of the dream world of programs and lies. And basically speaking, a whole lot of corrupt, mean behaved people who are like not very well and holistic, they're tricking and lying so they can make a lot of money and sell us a whole lot of rubbish products like chemicals, all sorts of bad unnatural chemical products like self-care, deodorants, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, like detergents, for the dishes, for the dishwasher, for the floors, etc. A whole lot of rubbish, toothpaste. And of course, especially the worst thing of all is like to sell us animals. Like, how can you own a living being? You can't. We don't own Gaia. Gaia doesn't own us either. But we're stewards and lovers and carers and caretakers and friends and family of each other. We're guardians. We're companions. That's what your pets are. That's what we all are to each other. No one owns anyone. I don't own you. Cats and dog companions don't own the humans, and the humans don't own them. We just live together and like help each other and all this sort of stuff. So, yeah, that's why I love veganism the most, because it's getting up there to the greatest level of like compassion and peacefulness. It's the most peaceful diet, Like, I don't know about you, but I wouldn't like my sister or mother to be taken away, or my child, and raped every year until they're exhausted, and then all their milk's taken and robbed, and their children are taken from them as well, and then because they're so tired, they get killed early. Like, that's like one of the worst things you'd ever do, except for also like killing and murdering and raping and enslaving humans. So it's pure obvious. Everyone, if and it's only not obvious to the people who've been purely programmed, and I was one of those. I had no idea before. But now that my mind and my heart is clear and I can see through all the rubbish, it's plain obvious. Would no one would let anyone hurt their pet, or their family member. So anyway, I'm a humanitarian. I care enough for humans. I'm a Gaiatarian. I love Gaia, and I also am an animalitarian. So that's why I hope this video helps everyone. Lots of love. Please share the word with your friends and family on social media, etc. Anyone you think might benefit from hearing the message of awakening, peace and loving, kind, caring, compassionate diet and lifestyle towards humans, Mother Earth, and to the animals, of course, who are basically the most abused in the world at the moment. So yeah, thanks a lot. Lots of love and have a beautiful day. Thanks for joining me. Peace and love out.